Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. A quick look at Bitcoin, guys. This is going to be painless. Here it is. Downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Big level of resistance. In fact, that's actually a weekly level. I had a look back on the higher time frame. So we're at a crossroads with this diagonal and this horizontal level goes right back. For me to get involved, I'd have to see it break above here, retest and fail this, and then it's off to, I wouldn't say the moon, but that could be a thing. My bias is definitely to the downside at this point. Look, I'm not looking for a trade setup, but we do have this pin bar. It could mosey on in here for a little bit, perhaps, and I would say, if anything, possibility it trades down. And there's a level to consider. What else can I say about this? Look, I'm not getting involved with Bitcoin while it's trading through here at the moment at all. I'm just going to sit back and watch it. Have a look at the stock markets. The tech stocks in particular, the US 100 has traded into resistance. Bitcoin is fairly correlated with that. And there's a lot of fear in the market with the VIX. There's also very mixed feelings in the stock markets. If you go to, I think it's FinViz. Yeah, FinViz, have a look at that. It's red and green. It's a really mixed bag. We're trading up into the London Open. The stock markets have hit resistance quite often. If we trade one direction into the London Open, it can, more often than not, rotate. And we're retracing through the Asian session, and do we go for another leg to the downside after the London market opens? That's my question. Be careful, guys. Don't touch this at the moment. And what else can I say? Click the links below. Join Discord. It's free. Visit my website. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.